Look at its first side, geodesic dome design, and a big bay window. The part of desert yellow is 850 PVC top lid, and the part of transparent is 950 PVC top lid. Here also has a glass window too. It can be opened, used for air exchange. Also, it can be closed. Look, it's open. The entrance unit is a glass door. Length 2.1 meter, width 0.9 meter, and the frame is made of South Africa Santos rosewood. Some customers wonder about whether if it has a lock and keys. Yes, of course. Its duty is to protect your privacy and security. It's locked, and the keys are in the outside. Now we are going to take a look at interior. Look at the therm material. It's made of double layer aluminum foil and canvas. Fire resistant, heat insulated, odor free, and allergy free. But the color we use is warm color, khaki, and it's covering entire interior. Many companies use elastic cotton material. It's obsolete material. Why? Because elastic cotton material lifespan is short and cleaning difficult and easy to absorb dust. Now we take a look at the curtain. We have a dual track. We have a dual track design. Look here, dual track design, and it's which is good at keeping out the sunshine, and very convenient to use it. When you close it, now it's dark inside. When you open it, now it's light. Here I have to say optimization in our company. Look here. We provide the price bar for fixing outside PVC. That is our optimization, because most of our other companies don't provide these opportunities. Here has a PVC mesh window too. It's used for air exchange and to prevent mosquito in summer. When you need it, you can roll it up, and when you don't need it, just put it down. Here are air conditioning. Yes, air conditioning, and the toilet. Toilet in here. The toilet. And the unit bathroom. Yes. Normally, we suggest customers to buy them in locally, because you can buy them in your local market at any time, and the price is definitely lower than buy from us. You don't have to pay the taxes and freight charge. So what makes us so different with others? We producing and exporting for 13 years, accumulated a lot of experience. We are insisting on using joint building structures, which is more beautiful in appearance and more perfect in profile than others. So this is our best-selling product, the Eco Living Dome. It's very popular in European countries and North America and other companies. So I'm Lucas, waiting for your inquiry.